Hey gamers, on time video, and sorry about the lighting, guys. I just want to announce to you guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make a really good YouTube idea, kind of thing. So, here's an example. This was my first try. This is YouTube ideas, there's that. And then we have that girl, we have John Wick. And then my first idea is John Wick Fortnite Challenge. Then the Agent Fortnite Challenge. Then we have Explosives V2, which I'm going to cross that out. Guys, here's how you make it. So all you guys need is, of course, you need a printer, you need a computer, you need a paper, you need some scissors, you may need two papers. Of course, I already said stapler, you need some glue to glue the pictures that you get off your computer. And then you need some normal tape. And yeah, so I already have what I want. I want a diamond play button for like the front. And this is pretty good. So I'll get this up. This picture right here, I want to use that. So what I'm going to do, I'll quickly place this down real quick. What you guys want to do, you want to go up to this V file. And then print. Now this is just on a Dell, so yeah, custom, and then I want it to be like 30. So as you can see, I put it up to 30 there. So now if I press print, you guys can't see that. It'll come up with this. I'll press OK, and then it will print out of my printer. So let's go do that. Printing from PC. There it is. I just cut it out, and yeah, we can also use this paper for the second thing. Now what I'm going to do is I will cut this out, and then I will glue it. But first, before I glue it, I need to see what I will use for my front. So what I'm going to do, of course, I'm just going to do a normal drawing. I think I will go for this much, and then kind of in. So kind of like that. Then the rest of the papers, just one strip like that, and then one strip like that. So what I'll do is just cut it in between there, and then that's already one, and then you can cut in between there. So now you have 4 pieces of paper. Of course, I will put them in order, just like so. What I'm going to use is a pencil to draw on this, or something. But before I do that, I'm going to quickly glue this onto it really quick. All you really need is the corners. So if you're like gluing this stuff, all you really need is like the corners, because those are the things that unstick. They're the worst. So all you really need is to just get those corners and these edges, and then just like put it somewhere. I'm going to put it at the very, very bottom. Just like that. Make sure it all sticks together. So, like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw something on it. So hey guys, all I had to do is just erase 4 and 5 so that I can fit this, because it doesn't fit up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it down here, and then the Elite Agent right there, or right here, and then there's going to be a third one. So at least you guys know 2 things. I may come up with a third thing. So basically, at least you know 2 things that are coming up definitely in the future. So the final reveal is Crazy Prank on Brother, Elite Agent Fortnite Challenge, John Wick Fortnite Challenge. That is the first page. Now the stapler is the thing that you used for the very last thing. The tape is just in case you want to hang something off the edge. Just in case there's no space for a picture, you just hang it off the edge with another piece of, like another paper. Like another, like, tiny piece of paper. I'll do that on the next page. So you guys, the first one on the second page is Fortnite, the Death Challenge. The reason the bottom is blurred out is because it shows what it is. And I do not want you guys to know. So you guys, all you need to do with this is just glue this onto your paper. So I'll just quickly, I don't really care. Just glue that on. Just like that, really simple. You can get this in a second. Let's just quickly go ahead and do that. It's sliding. So, boom. Get it all good. Boom. And then I will quickly also get this. Okay. So now you got that. Now what you need is to glue this just a bit, only a tiny bit, just like that. Now you grab your tape and you tape it, just like so. Now, go like that. Sorry about that noise. That is a really annoying noise. I'll quickly put this, I guess I'll do this. Why not? There. Now we will do that. Now it's all secure on there. And boom. So now, this is the result. It's really awesome. Now all I need is to add one more thing right here, which I want to add the Fortnite logo. So, Fortnite logo. Now, I'm going to quickly put this all up here, and let me just quickly go into images. Perfect. This one. So let's quickly print this off, and I'll be back to you once I am done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, leave a like, click the bell icon down below. Thank you guys for 165 subscribers. That means the world to me. See you in the next video. Peace.